Hi everyone! Have you ever looked at the night sky? What do you see? Stars, the moon, and sometimes everybody looks outside because the moon is so big. It's called a full moon. But sometimes the moon is very small, like a little slither. I wonder why and how the moon changes shapes and sizes. Today we're going to find out why the moon changes its shape. Discover. Today's materials: moon board, the earth top and bottom pieces, the moon top and bottom pieces, connector pin, rotating rod, half sphere, pulley, base, tape, and rubber band. Woo! Look! Wow, that looks really cool, right? Look at the picture. It's got all the different kinds of moons and the sun. Okay, now we want to take the big blue piece first. This is the base. Put it down and put your sticker on the base. So take the sticker off and then put it on top. And then there's a hole here. Push it into the base. Okay. All right. So it should connect, right? All right. Now we want to take this little piece. This is the connector pin inside, like so. Okay. And then we want to take this piece. This is the long rolling rod, rotating rod. It's going to go around like this. Put the rotating rod. Watch this part. To make sure that this part that goes down and then with a hole up on both sides goes up. Okay, like this. The two spots should be going up. All right. Next, let's put together our pieces. This is the earth, top and bottom pieces. Put them together. Okay. All right, and the moon, top and bottom pieces. Okay, and then this black piece, this is the half sphere. We're going to put the moon inside the half sphere. So the long piece goes inside like this, and then the top just push in. Okay? Woo. All right, now let's connect everything. We're going to put the pulley, very small black piece. The pulley goes here. Okay? And then connect the earth into the top of the connector pin. The moon will go to this end here. Okay. Now we have the rubber band. The rubber band is going to go underneath the earth into the pulley and then underneath the moon into the inside. So watch, we're going to connect it here, go around, hold it, and then pull to this side. Okay, now let's make sure the rubber band is in the right spot. Okay, up a little bit. Ooh, go up, 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 up. Okay, there. And then this side, oh, rubber band needs to go inside the pulley. Okay. All right, so make sure that the rubber band is inside the little nook, inside the pulley and also under the moon. All right, looks like we are done. So if you look, there's a handle here and you can move it around. Wow. Full moon, waning gibbous, last quarter, waning crescent, new moon, crescent moon, first quarter, waxing gibbous, and full moon again. Ooh. And so always think about where the moon is compared to the sun. The sun is what makes it look bigger and smaller, and we're here on Earth, okay? So spin around and see the sizes of the moon. Think why. Why does the moon change shape? The moon goes around the earth like this, right? Every 28 days, almost 1 month. This is called the moon's revolution. Revolution means going around one time. When the sunlight shines on the side facing the earth, we see a big round full moon like this. Here we go. See? Like that. And when the sunlight is on the far side, the moon looks dark like this, okay? And the moon looks dark, and so we actually can't see the moon. You can look around and we can't find it because it's being hidden. Think more. Lunar calendar. On our lunar calendar is different from a solar calendar. Day 1 is the new moon. Day 2 and 3, there's a waxing crescent moon. It's just a little sliver, very small. Day 7 to 8, you see the first quarter moon. It looks like a half moon. Days 12 and 13, it's the waxing gibbous moon. It's almost the opposite of the waxing crescent moon. So it looks fuller, but not a full moon yet. A couple days later, on day 15, we see the full moon. This is when the moon is the biggest and brightest. Days 18, 19, waning gibbous moon. Waning means getting smaller and smaller. Day 21 to day 22 is the last quarter moon. It's the opposite of the first quarter moon, right? Still half moon, but the other side. And finally, day 26 to 27, before it becomes a new moon again, it's the waning crescent moon, another really small sliver.